Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be talking you through some of the most simple ways that you can make money with Oriflame as a consultant. I'm going to start with the very basics, BP and BV. Business points are Oriflame's universal currency for consultants. Each product for sale has a given BP value. The more BP you earn each catalogue by selling products, the more benefits you receive. It is also a good representation of how your business is growing and how close you are to hitting a new title. Calculating your BP is really simple. For UK consultants, this is 77% of the retail value of a product. And for Irish consultants, this is 55.8% of the retail value of a product. To give you an example, if you calculate 77% of £52, this will equal to 40 business points. One important thing to remember is that when you place a single order worth 100 business points, you receive a free gift from us. To find out what the current 100 BP gift is, make sure to visit the demo products page on the website. Next up is BV. This stands for business value and is the amount you're paid on commission once you hit a manager title. It's important to note that BV is not calculated on full retail price like BP, but on the price you pay as a consultant using your discount. It's also easy to calculate your BV value. If you place an order worth up to 99 BP, your BV value will be 77%. If your order is worth 100 BP or more, the BV value will be 70%. And finally, if you place a mega order of 500 BP or more, the BV value will be 65%. Now we've got the terminology out of the way, you'll see it's easy to make money with Oriflame. When you order products from us as a consultant, you receive an extra discount from us from the catalogue price. This means that when you sell products to your customers at catalogue price, but pay consultant price with your discount, you earn an immediate profit from the difference with each product sold. We measure your discount rate based on how much BP you earn as a result of placing orders each catalogue. As standard, any order placed that is below 100 BP enables you to receive a 20% discount. When your cumulative sales during a catalogue period exceed 100 BP, you receive a total 30% discount from the catalogue price. And finally, when your cumulative sales during a catalogue period exceed 500 BP, you receive a total 35% discount from the catalogue price. Now we're going to use these numbers in real product terms so you can see how to calculate your immediate profit earned by using your consultant discount. As an example, we'll use the Novage Time Restore Revitalising Serum. The catalogue price is £40 for the UK and €55 for Ireland. This is what you'll charge your customers. With a standard consultant discount of 20%, you'll pay Oriflame just £32 or €44 for the product. This means you receive an immediate profit of £8 or €11. Let's say you sell the serum to just 3 customers this catalogue. That's an easy £24 or €33 in your pocket. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any further questions, please feel free to contact your upline or customer care.